Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to book Flixbus ticket online using your mobile phone. You can download the Flixbus app and book ticket one city to another city, one country to another country using this application. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start as a mobile screen. So simply open here App Store and type here Flixbus. Flix Flixbus. The first link is display here. You just simply install this application. I already installed the particular application. Rating is quite good. After installation, you just simply open here. This is a framework of this particular application. Even the Flixbus provided some train facilities also nowadays in Europe. This application work is Europe and US and Canada even. So simply search here your first location of the city and where exactly you are going. So I am selecting here Odense, Denmark to Copenhagen and mentioning this particular date on Sunday 13th of February. How many people traveling? So me and one of my friend both are traveling, and simply search here. So look at this here, time and different price varieties are available here. If you are traveling in the next week, so the price is automatically reduced like a 99 or 79 Danish krona. But now I am booking this very emergency and 2 person, not a single person. So accordingly, which time comfortable for you. So first bus is morning 7 o'clock, then 9:30, then 10:30, 11:55, 12:30, and some price varieties also available. So we can search here directly as a 12:30, selecting here 2 person. So first passenger detail, second passenger detail, seat reservation, extra charges if you have extra luggages. This is the information, and now you can pay your Apple Pay, credit card, debit card, as well as PayPal account. Add PayPal account and pay your money. You need to invoice, so they sending you invoice also, and simply press the play button and your ticket is booked and purchase this ticket. So here the ticket options are there in the middle bottom of the screen. Click here. So this is my ticket. I booked the ticket like a 13th of Feb 2022, 12:45 p.m. in Odense, and I am reaching here 2:40 p.m. in Copenhagen, around 2 hours. And this particular QR code, no need to print out, you just show it this QR code, the particular bus driver, and the bus driver are allow you very easily in this bus. 70D and 70C, I booked 2 tickets, so my location also available here. So it's amazing application for the especially in Europe. You can download and travel using this application and book the ticket. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.